I'm going to say good morning, Lucky 13ers.
Good morning, Lucky 13ers.
Livy and I are making a smoothie this morning, and we thought we'd let you know what we're going to put in it. Everybody's looking for recipes lately. So, first we're going to take some fresh organic blueberries, dump them right in. Next we have almond milk, and I don't measure things out, I just kind of go by feel, and if it's too thick, I'll add more. I just find it easier than measuring everything out. We're going to put in, what's this?
Banana.
A banana. All right. Add that right in there. And then we're going to take some...
Butter.
What kind of butter? Almond butter?
Almond butter.
Okay.
And
then, we really like almond butter in this house. Okay. And then, to get some greens, we have some spinach. And this is a great way to hide spinach or veggies for your kids because you don't even taste it, but you can get a good couple of handfuls in here. Your kids are really fussy about their vegetables. All right, Liv. There we go. Excellent. Well, that's it. That's probably enough spinach. All right. Next, we're going to add 3 scoops, which is 1 serving of the Neva protein powder.
I want to do it.
All right.
I want to do it. I want to do
All
it.
right, can you dump it in? All right, 1. We got to do 2 more.
I want to do it.
Okay, dump it in. 2. 1 more. Last one. Hold on.
I want to do it.
And hold on. Get your hand out of there. Dump. All right, 3. Now, because who doesn't love chocolate, and there are so many benefits to cacao powder, we're going to use, I use Navita's Organics. I am going to measure this one because it's very easy to overdo cacao powder. And the serving size is 2.5 tablespoons, so I'm going to do 3 tablespoons because we're making way more than
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Yep. Okay. Ready? Dump that in. All right.
1.
Now, I can see here just by looking that there's not nearly enough liquid. So at this point, this is when I'll go back in and I'll add some more almond milk. All right. We're going to throw this into our blender and we're going to have the final product. All right. We just took it out of the blender. Here it is. We're going to put a little bit in my cup. Okay. And a little bit right into Liv's sippy cup. Okay. And then we're going to put the cover. And I will tell you, because I just took a secret sip to make sure it tasted okay, tastes like cocoa. Cheers. Kids will love this. This has blueberries in it. It has fruit. You got protein, 25 grams. It's just so easy. And I've easily made more than just a few servings. So you can take these and put them in glass ball jars with covers and have them even freeze them for the week. And then you can grab them as you need them. It took us less than 5 minutes. And this is potentially breakfast for the week. All right. Say bye. Bye, guys.